Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about types of obesity. What are types of obesity? We will also discuss about classes of obesity, and there are different shapes of obesity, that is apple shaped obesity and pear shaped obesity. So what is difference between these two types of obesity, and in males which type of obesity is seen, and in females which type of obesity is seen? We will also discuss about that. If you know the types of obesity, if you know which type of obesity you are suffering from, then you will also know about how to reduce it. So we will discuss about the different ways to reduce obesity. Now there are different side effects of obesity also, so we will also see in short about side effects of obesity. Now what is body mass index? If person's weight in kilograms is divided by the square of height in meters, it is called as body mass index. If your body mass index is less than 18.5, this is called as underweight range. If your body mass index is more than 30 or higher, it is called as obesity range. Body mass index between 25 and 30 is called as overweight range, and if body mass index is more than 30, then it is termed as obesity. Now depending upon the body mass index, obesity is further classified into different classes, that is class 1 obesity. Class 1 obesity is defined as if body mass index is between 30 to 35. If your body mass index is between 35 to 40, then it is a class 2 obesity, and if your BMI is above 40, then it is called as class 3 obesity. Class 3 obesity is more dangerous because it leads to various diseases like heart attack, stroke, blindness, kidney failure, and peripheral vascular disease. So class 3 obesity is more dangerous. Now what are the types of obesity? Depending upon the area of fat distribution, it is divided into two types, that is peripheral obesity and central obesity. Now the peripheral obesity is commonly seen in women, and in this obesity excessive accumulation of fat is seen in the hips, buttocks and thigh. This is also called as pear-shaped obesity. The other type of obesity is central obesity, and it is because of the excessive accumulation of the fat in abdominal area. It is also labeled as apple-shaped obesity. It is most commonly seen in men. It is the most dangerous obesity compared to the pear-shaped obesity, because in apple-shaped obesity insulin resistance is seen, and it further leads to type 2 diabetes mellitus. And because of type 2 diabetes, the various complications arise like blindness, stroke, heart attack, gangrene. And the other complications seen in apple-shaped obesity is, other side effects of apple-shaped obesity are dyslipidemia, that is increased LDL cholesterol, increased triglyceride, it leads to coronary artery disease, it leads to heart attack. So apple-shaped obesity is more dangerous. These complications or these side effects are seen less in peripheral obesity compared to the central obesity. So gynecoid obesity, that is commonly seen in women, that is peripheral obesity, and central obesity is also called as android obesity, as it is seen in men. But if we compare two obesities, the central obesity can be easily controlled, while this peripheral obesity takes time to control, and it needs hard work to reduce weight if you are suffering from peripheral obesity. Now abdominal obesity, when we label the abdominal obesity, according to the American Heart Association, we measure the waist circumference, and if waist circumference in woman is more than 88 centimeter, that is 35 inches, it is called as abdominal obesity in women. And in men, if waist circumference is more than 102 centimeter, that is 40 inches, it is labeled as abdominal obesity. Now in some people, both combination of central and peripheral obesity is seen, and this is seen in both men and women. Now depending upon the association of the disease with obesity, it is divided into two types, that is type 1 obesity and type 2 obesity. Type 1 obesity is not caused because of any disease. Okay, it is because of excessive intake of calories and lack of physical activity. If we see about type 2 obesity, it is associated with various diseases, that is it is caused by diseases like Cushing syndrome. It is a disease of endocrine system. If your hypothyroidism, thyroid hormones are low, it will also lead to obesity. If you are suffering from polycystic ovarian disease, then the chances of obesity increases. If you are suffering from insulinoma, then also obesity is seen. So this diseases leads to obesity. This is called as type 2 obesity. Now, what are the side effects of obesity? The common side effects are seen on the cardiovascular system, brain, then musculoskeletal system. So like heart attack, diabetes, hypertension, dyslipidemia, different types of cancers, osteoarthritis, fatty liver. So these types of side effects are seen because of obesity. If you want to control obesity, then you should reduce calorie intake, you eat maximum fruits and vegetables, and you should do daily brisk walking, that is 40 minutes brisk walking in the morning and 40 minutes brisk walking in the evening help you to burn calories. This is low impact exercise and can be done easily without any special instruments. So if you want to know details about side effects of obesity or the 15 ways to reduce obesity, you can click on these 2 thumbnails. If you have any query, you can write in the comment box. Thank you very much.